Hi, and welcome back to You Can Too RV. You've probably had to deal with jack pads, whether you've bought them or even made your own. Alright, here's a trick I figured out. Use your awning hook that just about every motorhome has. And you can slide your leveling pads where you need them to be without having to get on your hands and knees and crawl under your motorhome. Then when you're done, reach in and drag them out. Shazam! You probably remember Phil and his country coach. Well, he got tired of dealing with the jack pads and he bought a set of SnapPads. And I'm going to show you how he put those on. Just use some soapy water. He used Windex. Slide it under the jack, center it up, and then you run the jack down and let the pad snap around the base of the jack. Doesn't make for real exciting video, but I thought this was kind of interesting for people to see.
Go.
You can see it snaps on here, and they claim it'll never come off. So now Phil won't have to crawl under his motorhome when he gets to the next place he wants to camp if they require jack pads.
Keep going.
Now, even though this is a simple operation, you need to be careful because you've got the hydraulic ram coming down and supporting the entire weight of the motorhome. If you were to get a hand in there, that's an injury that probably could never be repaired. So I recommend having at least 2 people and preferably 3 involved. You have to have one person operating the jacks inside, having a spotter, making sure that the communication is clear. Would really pay off. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. Hope you can find it useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining us today. I want to apologize for the delay in getting some videos out. That's going to probably continue for a little bit as we're volunteering to support the vaccine effort here locally. So we'll try and fit in some videos in between our days volunteering. Thanks for your understanding.